See anything neat?
Yeah.
Actually, that is really cool.
This big ship over here?
You gotta look at this. You gotta look at everything.
This is the only one in the world. It's on loan to here from the Marine.
Is that a spaceship?
No.
What, is this an airplane?
The Lockheed Blackbird?
Yep.
I
It
like
was
it.
never shot down. On loan by the Air Force. The only one. It's a way cool.
Hey,
There's 32 of them, honey.
Look.
Oh.
okay, now,
It's pretty huge, isn't it?
yeah, now we can go somewhere else, because we looked
You have, but I haven't seen it all yet.
through. Daddy, you gotta look at the planet, because isn't that cool how they did that?
That is cool. You see Michigan right there, too, right?
Yeah. I know what Michigan is, but can you find it again? Oh, I saw Michigan again. That whole thing.
We're somewhere kind of in this area here.
Maybe that's where we are.
Mm-hmm.
Now we can look. Oh, yeah, that's bigger.
It's actually kind of cool to look at.
Yes, it is.
I kind of want to go on that thing.
What is it?
Pretend like you're going into space.
Well, let's do it.
Oh,
Huh?
big
Let's do it.
We gotta buy tickets.
It's alright. He's got himself covered, though, right?
Yeah.
You guys can get tickets, huh? You guys can get tickets.
Will they let 3 people in at the same time?
I don't know. Let's look. Yeah, there's several people in there. What is this called?
I don't know. Let's find out. I don't know. 2 tickets. Okay, how much are tickets? Guess we'll find out.